Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. We are getting all bundled up because we are in town and we're getting ready for the parade at 2 o'clock. But right now we're going to go down to the antique store and then to the craft store at the high school. This is she's not really new. I've had her a while, but I just got her beads done and got her dressed and everything. This is Golda Rose, and there's a story to her name. But she's with us today, and she's bundled up and has on a new coat and a new headband and new shoes. This doll is so pretty. I wanted you to see her hair in the sun. Let me turn her this way. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous hair? It's pretty choppy. They've been coming in like that. But even so, look at the color. Look at that rose gold. Oh my goodness. Here comes the parade in our small town. Hi, Santa! What is that?
Foam things or something.
Golda Rose got a little squishy thing. This one's for you, Gilly and Sherry. We got some pretty equine too in our parade. Don't you love it? Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Merry Christmas!